And we don't need to travel halfway around the world for a successful alternative. We can look to Wales, a model where contact tracing is devolved to local communities. In the most recent figures for Wales, of the 2,190 positive cases that were eligible for follow-up, 91% were reached and asked to provide details of their recent contacts. Of the 10,516 contacts, 83% were successfully contacted. This is in stark contrast to the government's Serco model, where just 69% of contacts were reached, a figure that is getting worse week in and week out. Perhaps if the Welsh Government were a private outsourcing consultancy, then the government would have paid them a small fortune to take over the system in England. But instead, who did the government turn to? Outside consultants paid this summer £563,000 of public money for producing a report on test and trace, a report that we have all paid for, but none of us have seen. Madam Deputy Speaker, the government could have learnt valuable lessons for free. They could have gone to Mark Drakeford rather than to McKinsey.